Junk journal with me as I decorate this fun hidden paperclip. The last video demonstrated the step-by-step directions to make this easy junk journal embellishment, and you can find it linked in the description. This handy paperclip slides right onto your journal, your planner page, or other project without the paperclip even being seen, like a magic trick. Now let's find out how I'm going to decorate it even more. Thanks for clicking the subscribe button and watching more mixed media art videos and other creative inspiration that I have for you. Leave a comment to let me know how you would like to decorate some junk journal hidden paperclips or other kinds of altered paperclips in your own style. The possibilities are endless, and you can see some other examples in more related videos in the description. Enjoy some music while discovering the easy collage with stickers and scrapbook paper that I'm adding to this exciting papercraft project. Have a creative day.